Context contributor simply provides contextual information to template files like velocity or free marker templates. Templates are widely used in application display template, which is also called ADT, web content display portlet, and Liferay theme. Using context contributor, we can write a piece of code to inject contextual information which can be reused in various template files. In this article, we will explain the use of context contributor. To create the project, go to the Eclipse and create Liferay module project like this. In this window, select Template Context Contributor as a project template. Our project is created. Now let us open the generated class file. In the property, we can see that the type of the contributor is the theme. That means the contributor is only applicable for a theme. The type can also be global. A global template contributor can be used in any template files. We will make the type as a global so that it can be used not only in a theme but also in a templates like web content templates, other entities, etc. The service should be equals to the template context contributor. The meaning is that we are providing the implementation of template context contributor interface. To implement the interface, we need to implement only one method, and that is the prepare method. Give attention to the context object parameter of the prepare method. It is a map object which contains all the necessary objects like theme display, local, user, and many. We can inject our custom object into this map object, and later on we can retrieve the object in any template files. We can see that a key with the name sample text is injected into the map. We will delete this line and inject today's date into the map. Our code is ready. As soon as we deploy the code, today's date will be available in the template context. Let us deploy the module. Our module is deployed. Now it is time to test the application. We can test this module in different ways. We can create a theme and then use the variable in the theme template. Or you can create an ADT and use the variable. To make it simple, I'm going to create a very simple web content structure and template. Because Liferay web content template also uses the template engine, and in the template I'm going to use that variable which was injected by context contributor project. Let's get started. We can see that today's date is displayed in the web content display. The concept of template context contributor can be used to keep our code cleaner and modular. Consider that you need a complex logic of string manipulation in your theme templates. It is better to move all those code to a context contributor project and refer it in your template files.